What is the meaning of the term sleep divorce?
It's not an uncommon problem where people are trying to sleep and there's lots of snoring and sounds being made. People complain that their significant other is just breathing heavy, and it's usually because they're either mouth breathing or sniffling all the time. It's not uncommon. If there is a way to fix something simply is to evaluate for nasal obstruction. Nasal obstruction is really easy to fix, especially for us. And if that's something you can fix before having to worry about extensive diagnoses and other treatment protocols. But the nice thing about this is even if it doesn't take care of snoring as much as the other person would want it to, the patient often breathes better and is happy they've had that intervention.
Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.